Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to set the time automatically in Windows 11. If your computer is showing the wrong date or time, you can easily fix it. You can easily fix it by enabling automatic time settings. So let's get started. First click on the start button and then select settings, or you can also press Windows plus I keys on the keyboard to open settings app. Now click on time and date in the left sidebar. On the right, select date and time. Here you will find set time automatically. Turn it on. Ensure your time zone is set to automatic, and in case still you find that clock and date is wrong, you can click on sync now button under additional settings. That's it. Your Windows 11 PC will now automatically sync the correct date and time from Microsoft Time servers. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.